Hey everyone, this is Tyler here from Big Lakes Dodge. Today we're going to be talking about this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk 4x4. It's got diamond black crystal pearl paint. It's got the premium vinyl with ombre mesh cloth interior. And the engine we're running on this one is a 2.4 liter multi-air inline 4.0 EVOP engine with the start and stop. And it's also got a 9-speed automatic transmission. Comes with the Select Train traction management system, forward collision warning system with active braking, active lane management system. Comes with the Park View rear backup camera. The backup camera is right here. Be able to see that. Nice little red tow hooks on the front and back. It comes with blind spot monitoring and rear cross path detection. So when you're driving and then say you're parked between two vans on the back here and you can't see, then the cross path detection, if somebody's driving this way, it'll stop on your brakes a little bit to give you a little notification that somebody's in your cross path that you can't see. And it's also got pedestrian, cyclist, emergency braking on here. Got the LED reflector headlamps with the automatic headlamps as well. And it's got your electric park brake. And underneath, you got the transmission skid plate, fuel tank skid plate shield, transfer case skid plate shield, front suspension skid plate, and it's got the windshield wiper deicer. It's got heated seats. All right, let's hop in here, passenger side. And then right here, you got your blind spot monitoring, so it'll light up orange when somebody's in your blind spot back here. So you're in a lane over back there, it'll let you know. Got your storage. You got your nice red double stitching here, standard on the Trailhawks. And you got one touch window. And it hits that. Got your power lock right under it. Got some nice little Jeep leather mats, manual seats, nice little vented bucket seats. And then you got some nice carbon fiber looking stuff, leather up here. Nice double stitching here as well. Then you got your storage. A lot of stuff. And these ones are a little bit higher up, so you're able to go off-road with them. And you got some more stitching here. It gives you a nice few different types of materials here. Some nice leather. These are pretty easier to clean. Comes with the Alpine speaker system here too as well. And you got some more nice matting there. And you got your cup holder right here. Pull that down. Oh, excuse me. And then you could also pull this down as well. Just give me one moment. Pop this down. So if you're hauling something, it'll put a little extra room up there. Or you could have one person sitting here and pull these two down. And you also got your remote here. Open your lift gate. And it comes with this nice little mat here that you can have cloth on one side, or you can flip it over if you got like mud. You got to flip this over, I'll show you. Just in case you don't want to get anything dirty in here, muddy clothes or something, just pop this in. It's always nice. Little storage area. Lift this up. You got your spare tire, gasoline funnel, your jack in here. Got some more speakers. And you got a 12-volt DC plug in here. And then you can also pull all these seats down so you have a lot more room. Like I'll show you. Just give me 1 second. Pop these seats down here for you. In case you're traveling, need somewhere to sleep, you pop in an air mattress in here, push those down a little bit farther. I just kind of laid them down nicely. Then you got your DC plug in here. You'll be able to run a car charger battery thing or a mattress air pump. Flip this back. There you go. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? And then to close this, you just hit this button here. Or you can double click on your remote. And you got some more storage right here. You got your windows. And you got your double stitching. Pop this open. And you got your USB plug-in, USB-C. And down here you got another DC plug-in. And you also got your wall outlet charger right there. That'll be nice if you're traveling. And everyone can have their own spot to charge their phone. You got pockets on both sides of the back of the seats here. So you can have a map in there. It'll always be nice. You don't want to get lost, right? And let's hop into the driver's side here. Here's the Alpine sound system that you can see there. And then you got your locks, power locks, locking windows, power windows, and then you got your mirrors. And then you also got heated mirrors on there. You see that little logo there? You just hit your rear window defrost, and then it'll defrost your back window back there, and then it'll take all the snow and build up off of there. All right, let's hop in. You got your what is that? To make sure the brightness on your interior stuff is on, up and down, and you got your auto lights, all that stuff, and then you got your lift your steering wheel up and down. And you got power seats on this side. And you got your lumbar control on that side though, but this is all power on this side. All right, let's hop in and see what's going on in here. Now that we're in here, you got your cruise control and you got your voice activation, stuff like that. You can answer your phone, end your phone call, and you can toggle through all this. Turn this to miles per hour. And you can hold OK for analog. Put it up like that so you can see all your speedo, and then you can see all your RPMs. Put it on kilometers. And you just keep going through. You got your settings. You can set everything up. You can customize your four corners and stuff like that. Fully customizable. And you'll be able to see a bunch of stuff. Like you got your stored messages on here. In case somebody's texting you, it'll pop up on their screen. If you pair your contacts into here, it'll pop up on there. It'll also read your message to you out loud or just on the screen there. And then you got Sirius XM that you got to activate that because this one's a used vehicle. And you also got AM, FM, and then you got Android Auto or Apple CarPlay capable. And it shows all your different types of settings for your vehicle, and that's down here as well, right next to your electronic park brake. You can all switch that, but it automatically adapts to road conditions. That's always nice. If you're driving and it's snowing out, it'll automatically go to snow. It detects that. If you're on gravel or rocks, it'll automatically change to rock. And you got your trip, your vehicle info, and it's got your tire pressure, your start and stop, gauge summary, fuel economy, and back to your driver info. And then down here you got your 4-low, you got your hill descent control, your 4-wheel drive lock, and then you got your rear backup camera up here. Pop it into reverse. And then you could also zoom this in, because if you want to hook up a little trailer, you can't haul a lot, but you can still haul a little something on here. And then you got all your analog controls right here. And then you got the more USB-C and then the USB. And then these are fully customizable. You can edit these pages. You can move this around to your liking. This comes with heated seats, heated steering wheels. It'll always be nice for winter. And it's also got Alexa built into here as well. And then you got your media, and I explained to you, you got your USB. You can hook up your phone, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capable, AM, FM radio. And then now you got your digital controls for the stuff down here. I'll pop it up there. And this is how you turn on your rear mirrors. Rear mirror defrosters, and then and then it defrosts your window back there as well. Comes with a nice dual pane panoramic sunroof. And then you got your navigation. And you can hook up your phone. You already know that, as I told you. And then there's your rear view camera. And then you got all the apps on here, your media, comfort, navigation, phone. And you got your system, vehicle, other. And then, yeah, you got your device manager, FM radio, media, Sirius XM, USB, and AM radio, audio settings, and your Bluetooth. It comes with all your dome lights. And you can pop your lift gate open with that button. And to close it again, you just hit this. And this one also comes with universal garage door opener. And when you pair those universal garage door openers, it shows in the manuals and stuff like that, or you can look online. You can also program them to open up your gates if you have a gates at your house as well. All right, well, if you like this vehicle, come stop by Big Lakes Dodge here in High Prairie, Alberta. We'd be glad to help you out here, and hopefully you could drive home in the vehicle you're liking today. All right, everyone, have a good day. Take care.